In this training, we will talk about client-side programming. Client-side scripting requires browser to run the scripts on the client machine, and it is designed to run codes in the client environment called the browser. The most common tasks used at client sides are styling components, designing layouts and forms. In this training, we will learn scripting language called JavaScript and its helper language HTML and CSS. So let's get started. What is a script? A script is generally a series of program or instruction. What is HTML? HTML is used in association with a web browser to format and display the contents of a web page, making its content available to the viewer. HTML depends on the use of web browser application to interpret and display text, graphics, and images. CSS Cascading Style Sheet is a simple design language which is designed to help user to create the design of a web page interactive by specifying its properties like size of the web page, color, its font size, distance between paragraph. So in our example, we will go through with the basic CSS example which help us to understand how it works. So what is JavaScript used for? JavaScript is a lightweight, high-level scripting language that is primarily known for making website dynamic. But simply this means that JavaScript does not use up a lot of memory or CPU and is easy for humans to understand. JavaScript can run on many different types of machines, does things like allow you to click a button on a website. But front-end web programming is just one application of JavaScript. Nowadays, JavaScript is also used to program native mobile apps and on the back end as a server-side language. So in the coming session, we will show an example which contains all the CSS, HTML and JavaScript file, how they are interrelated and interact with each other throughout the process.